Hi, today we're going to tell you about our special projects. We picked different topics. We had fun learning about those topics. We were really engaged in those topics.
Picking our topics was fun and interesting. We picked something that we wanted to learn about, and then we had to research our topics. Some of the reasons why we picked our topics was because it's cool to learn about and also it looks and sounds interesting. Some of the topics we picked were trees, impressionist art, Poland, and sharks.
We had to think of 3 big questions. For example, I did castles. My 3 big questions were, what's the history of castles? Where are castles? And what do castles look like? We had fun thinking of our 3 big questions.
After we got our 3 big questions, we needed to put our facts on a graphic organizer. We put them right here to match our facts on it. My topics were the history of Poland, the food, and the location.
After we set up our graphic organizer, we got 3 books from the library. We took facts from these books and used them to write facts. We had to write them in our own words.
As we were told, we turned our 3 big questions into a topic. After that, we read books and went on websites to find notes for our graphic organizers. When we were done filling our graphic organizers, we had to put the right information with the right topic. On my graphic organizer, I put China Today, place where you can visit, and location and language. For example, I wouldn't put China Today or places you can visit in China.
We also got some books from the library. All the books we read, we put the author's name here and the title of the book here. This is an example of a full source sheet. We also went on websites such as Wikipedia, Engines for Kids, and other types of stuff.
After our source sheet, we did an expository essay. To do this, we had to put our facts and sentences from our graphic organizer. In the beginning, we had to put an introduction, which is a grabber. For me, I did pandas, so I did pandas weigh 250 pounds. Then a topic sentence, which for me would be pandas are very interesting. Then a specific preview, which is what I did A, B, and C. In the middle of our expository essay, we put in A, B, and C, which was our 3 questions with details. At the end, we did a conclusion, which is 2 or 3 sentences at the end of the expository essay. This is a full expository essay. It was fun to write the expository
For
essay.
our presentation, some things we did was 3D models, books, and Post-its. Some of the 3D models, we got facts from our graphic organizer. Some of the 3D models that we did was Panda, which was made by Jesse, and Polar Bears, which was made by Adriana, and Trees, made by Daly.
Some of us did extra work at home. As you were told, all of us did a expository essay, and Taha did an extra one at home. Some people also, like I, made this at home. It shows the parts of a castle, and I also made this at home. It's a 3D model of a castle. If we worked at home, we had to work as hard as we did at school.
In addition to all of this, we had fun facts. So you stick your hand in here. Poland is the size of New Mexico.
The last step to our project was sharing. The student would volunteer to share their project. Mine was race cars, and this is the inside of an engine of a race car. And then this is the inside of a stadium in a race car stadium.
I hope you enjoyed our projects. It took really hard work. Take a look.
Now we're going to tell you about all our projects.
Hi, my name is Renz. I researched about Korea. Did you know in Korea, women take their birth name for their last name and kids take their father's last name? Here are some stuff I did for my 3D sculptures. This is the country of Korea and flags and the food.
Hi, my name is Shree, and I studied horses. Did you know that zebras are in the same family as horses? I made some things like 3D models, books, and posters and facts. Here's a fact. Horses use their tails so then they can shoo away flies.
Hi, my name is Dylan, and I researched castles. Did you know that castles were first only the size of a house? Here's what I made. This is a 3D model of a castle, and it has a few fun facts. And this is another 3D model of a castle, and it has more facts. This shows the parts of a castle, and these are just some fun facts. I had fun researching about castles.
Hi, my name is Peter. Did you know some baseball players can hit a ball 450 feet out of the baseball park? I had a fun time learning about baseball.
Hi, my name is Deshaun. My topic is snakes. Did you know snakes do not have eyelids? Snakes can't bite food, so they have to swallow it whole. Snakes smell with their tongue.
Hello, my name is Zach. I am researching penguins. Did you know that there is 500,000 penguins in one cuddle? Here is a 3D model of some penguins and two others. I had fun researching about penguins.
Hello, my name is Ella. My topic is sea turtles, and here's a fact for my topic. Did you know sea turtles are reptiles? And here's a 3D model of a sea turtle. Sea turtles are great.
Hello, my name is Garrett. My topic is Army. Did you know that Humvees are armored trucks? Here is a model tank, and here's the main gun, and there's 3 machine guns, and here are paper treads. I liked to study the army.
Hi, my name is Daly, and my topic is trees. Did you know some redwood trees can grow up to 300 feet tall and 18 feet wide? Here are some of the things I made. I made this thing, you look in here, and you can see autumn trees. I made this tree model, and then you can even see the underground roots. And then this tells you what the parts of the tree are.
Hi, my name is Samson. This is my topic, sharks. Here's one of the things. Here's the movie of Shark Tales. And I cut it out a shark and its reef. And here's one of the shark's facts. Sharks can smell blood 100 miles away.
Hi, my name is Jacob, and I study submarines. Did you know that submarines can go thousands of feet in the water? Submarines are designed to go underwater. Submarines are interesting.
Hi, my name is Sala, and my project is Jeep. This is a picture of Jeep. Did you know that Jeep is a very strong car? Jeep is a very good topic.
Hi, my name is Olivia. I study Poland. Did you know that Poland is the size of New Mexico? These are some things I made. I made 2 expository essays and a booklet answering my 3 big questions. And I also chosen to make a story called Vacation. I made a poster with some facts about Poland, and I drew Polish food. And this is a fun fact box, which has fun facts in it, like it takes 10 hours to fly from Illinois to Poland. And this is the Polish flag. Hi, my name is Jessica, and I research pandas. Did you know pandas roll to get somewhere faster? I have done 3 booklets, a comic strip, and 2 posters explaining about their looks, history, and life cycle. I have also done a 3D model. This is my expository essay on pandas. I enjoyed learning about pandas.
Hi, my name is Anaya and I study about England. Did you know the first piggy bank was invented by England in the 1700s? This is England on the globe. I made facts about England, a booklet, and a poem about England.
Hi, my name is Edward. I research sharks. Did you know sharks are carnivores? Sharks have 100 teeth. Sharks kill about 6 people a year. I made a 3D model of a shark in the ocean.
Hi, my name is Bella. I did Impressionist art. These are some things did you know that some Impressionist artists didn't look at their thing that they were painting with detail, but their pictures have so much detail? This is some of the things I made. This is a fun fact box. You pick a fun fact from it. And you open this to see how bright and vibrant Impressionist art is. These are 2 paintings by Vincent van Gogh and 2 paintings by Claude Monet.
Hi, my name is Andrew, and for my project, I research sharks. Did you know that people kill over 100 million sharks every year? This is what I did. This is why people kill sharks. This is where sharks live. Here's what sharks eat, and this is what color sharks can be. It was fun researching sharks.
Hi, my name is Sheree. Adriana's not here for the week, so I'm going to present her project, Polar Bears. Me and Adriana look alike, so I'm going to pretend to be her. Did you know that polar bears swim 100 miles? Adriana made posters, expository essay, and a 3D model. And there's also some fun facts on top of it. The polar bear lives in many cold places.
Hi, my name is Anna, and my topic is China. Did you know there's about 1.3 billion people living there today? Some of the things I did were a poster, a model, and a story. China was very fun to learn about.
Hi, my name is Abby, and my topic is whales. Did you know that the blue whale is the biggest animal that ever lived? Here are some things I did. I did a poster about what killer whales eat, how whales get the air, and how whales eat. Whales are very interesting.
Hi, my name is TJ. My topic was I research race cars. Did you know that race cars have 360 horsepower? These are some of the things that I made.
Hi, I'm Megan.
And I'm Taha.
We studied dogs. We're doing a play. Here's a few of my puppets. I made a beagle, a Dalmatian, and a vet.
And I made the Spot, a vet, and a lady that adopts dogs.
Or I also made a poster. It has fun facts like wolves and coyotes and foxes are related to dogs, and dogs sweat through their feet.
And I made a book at home, almost like this one, but it's kind of different. And me and Megan made this and this.
Hope you enjoyed hearing about our projects.